What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Shine On Mystery Tote from Ipsy. It's this large faux leather silver bag. I'm definitely going to use this as my beach bag this summer. The mystery bag I got last winter, that was comparable. I used all summer for my beach bag and that one has to retire. It's like covered in sunscreen stains and sand. Anyways, I'm gonna use this one now, this summer. So let's see what's inside. This bag was priced at $75 and its value of like the products inside is $340. So $75 and you get over $340 worth of product. So the first thing I see is this, guess what, you'll be naked in 1 minute, Frank Body coffee scrub. Like a huge bag of it. I'm probably going to use this over winter because I have been doing like a lot of tanning recently, like fake tanning. And if you want your tan to last, you have to exfoliate before. Next is the Conga Liners Ultra Creamy Waterproof Pencil Liner in black and brown.
When you're done folding, we can go to the water park.
Well, it's winter, baby. The water park's closed. We can go to the regular park and maybe look for some rocks. Good idea? Okay, I love you.
I love you.
So there's two in here. So it says they are waterproof. Okay, next is the Lawless Pinch My Cheeks Soft Blur Cream Blush in Duchess. I did just receive this product in my last Ipsy Extra, or like the BoxyCharm. This product is amazing. It's like the perfect bronzer. It's like a blush bronzer color. I probably don't need a backup, so I'm probably just gonna give this to someone for Christmas. Next is the Nude Skin Hydrating Peptide Lip Butter. Interesting. In Dolce Nude. I literally have lip glosses everywhere, in my car, in my gym bag, in every purse. It smells good. Ooh, it has like a really pretty color. It's like a peachy type color. Next, the Gold Faded Radiant Whip Brightening Treatment Mask. Promotes a glowing appearance, helps improve skin's overall tone, and helps skin's natural barrier. Great, I love getting skincare. Next, we have the Beauty Bio Healthy Scalp Dry Shampoo, Instant Deep Cleanse Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Interesting, I don't have any dry shampoo. I've definitely needed it like a time or two. I do wash my hair pretty often, but it's good to have on hand, so I'm actually pretty happy about this because I don't have any dry shampoos. Next is the Shania B lip liners in Miami. I've gotten a few Shania B products in these glam bags, and to be honest, they're not my favorite, the products that I have received. I actually think I already have these two colors. So this is Berry Beach and Blush Bay. So that's Berry Beach and that is Blush Bay. They are very similar. One's a little bit more of a brown note. Cute. Okay. Next is the Beauty Bio Brightening Booster Vitamin C Luminous Tone Complex. Okay, so this Beauty Bio, that's interesting. So they make skincare and hair care, this company. Interesting. Restores damaged, discolored complexion with this booster. Vitamin C, squalene. Oh, interesting. It's like, oh, you pump it from the bottom. That's interesting packaging. It virtually has no smell, but I am curious to try that. Next, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops in Sun Glow. I love this product. I actually already have 2 of them, so this will probably be going in someone's Christmas present. This is such a great product. I literally use it every single day. Love that. And there is this like little keychain purse in here, which is really cute. So I'm definitely gonna attach this and use it as a little beach bag. And lastly in here is the Carly by Bal, the OG color palette. I do already have one of these that I purchased on my own independently. I love Carly by Bal and I've always supported her makeup brand and her YouTube. So it's kind of cool that they gave one of these in this. If you weren't able to get your hands on it, it's this beautiful palette with all her like signature colors. I believe she has blue eyes, so I think this palette is catered more towards blue eyes, but you can use it universally. Let me know down below if you want me to film a look with this palette, drop like an angel wing or something like that. Also, we'll be going in the gift box because I already have one. So overall, I do think this is worth the money. If you don't have a lot of makeup products, you do get a wide range from body care to skincare, hair care, and makeup. I do already have quite a few of the products that they gave. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of the products I do already have, and they were like the more expensive type products. So I'm definitely gonna reuse this bag. Leave me a comment, an angel wing, if you want to see a tutorial with this palette. I would love to do that for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas, a happy holiday, and I hope you start off the new year with some really positive intentions. And thank you so much for watching.